Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to see how to use Lightning input tag with the type file in Salesforce Lightning Aura component to upload a file. In this example, I created a tab for my Lightning Aura component. If I select upload files, I will be able to select a file. It will display the selected file name. And then if I click upload, it will call my Apex class, and then it will create a content version and content document link so that it will create a file in my files tab. So currently I don't have any files in my files tab. Let's look at the Lightning Aura component. In my Lightning Aura component, I have a attribute called file name of type string. I'm using Lightning card, and inside my Lightning card I'm using Lightning input of type equal to file. Whenever there is a change, whenever I upload a file, it will call handle file upload. In the handle file upload, I'm using component.find, and I'm getting the file component where it was uploaded using the file ID. So the Aura ID is file ID. Since it will have a list or array, I'm getting the first one, and then I'm having a couple of console log statements to show the file name and as well as the file size. Using component.set method, I'm setting the file name to the file name of the file which was selected. I'm displaying the file name once it is selected. In my Lightning Aura component, in the footer, I'm displaying a Lightning button with the label upload. Whenever it is clicked, it will call submit file method. In the submit file method, I'm using the same method how we got the files. It will also have the selected file. I'm using JavaScript FileReader. When on load of the file reader, I'm having it will set the file content to the with the help of obj file reader dot result, and so since I need the content after base 64 comma, I'm using a variable with the name base 64 as the value. I'm setting the data start as index of base 64 plus base 64 dot length. So it will find where we have this base 64 comma plus the length of this value. That will be the start. So I'm using JavaScript substring method, and then I'm getting the value that is after this base 64 comma. In my helper.process file, I'm calling process file upload method from my helper class. Here I am passing component, the file content, and as well as the selected file. And then I'm using obj file reader dot read as data URL, and then I'm passing the selected file here. Let's see the process file upload method in the helper. First, I have a couple of console.log statements. After that, I am calling upload file method from my Apex class called file upload controller. Here I am passing the file name and as well as the base 64 content, which is of type string in my Apex class. In order to pass the file content as string, I am using encodeURIComponent. This is also from JavaScript. So it will pass the file name and the encodeURIComponent of the file content. And then I have a couple of console.log statements to find the state and as well as the return value. If the state is equal to success, it will display success in my console, and also it will set the file name to file uploaded successfully. If there are any errors, then it will set the file name as file upload failed, please try again. In my Apex class, I am first creating content version. Since it is using encodeURIComponent, first I am converting the content into UTF-8, and then I'm using base64 encoding util.base64 decode to decode the value, and after that I'm setting the title, path on client, and then I'm inserting the content version. Once it is inserted, I'm creating content document link. Let's try this. So I'm clicking upload files. I'm selecting test.txt. The file name is shown here. If I click upload, it will call my JavaScript, and my JavaScript will call the Apex class, and then it will create content version and content document link. Yeah, file successfully uploaded. So the file got uploaded successfully without any issue. Please check the video description. In the video description, I have shared my blog post. From the blog post, you should be able to get the sample Aura component and as well as the Apex class code reference. Use these code as a reference and start building on top of it. I hope it was helpful. Thank you for watching.